quiet town of Fez, people vanished. No screams, no footprints, only silence. 16-year-old Yusuf befriended Rafiq, bold, charming, yet strange. He never blinked at the adhan, never entered the masjid, just smiled. One night, Rafiq whispered, "Come after Isha, I'll show you what no one's seen in 100 years." Yusuf followed him into the dark forest. The trees whispered. Then Yusuf saw Rafiq's footprints had stopped, but Rafiq was floating above the ground. "You followed me far, Yusuf. Now follow me forever." Yusuf ran, reciting, "Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq, qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas." The jinn screamed and vanished into black smoke. At dawn, Yusuf was found trembling by the well, tasbih in hand. No one ever saw Rafiq again. Choose your friends wisely, for some smiles hide what faith protects you from. Allah Almighty says in Holy Quran, "He led me away from the remembrance of Allah after it had come to me,